Welcome to Your Love Mystic. I'm Kathryn. Today I'm going to invite you to imagine you are a bee buzzing around nature and maybe coming across one of these two beautiful flowers. The practice that I'm sharing in this video is the Brahmari breath. Did you know that Brahmari breathing, the pranayama from the yoga tradition, boosts our concentration, brain power, our memory? It boosts our confidence, and it quickly reduces agitation, anger, anxiety, stress, and it lowers hypertension. It lowers blood pressure. Last but not least, it produces a tranquil state within our mind to counterbalance daily stresses. We get so caught up in our mind and overthinking things, we forget to take moments during our day to really ground into nature and witness the beauty that surrounds us. And the Brahmari breathing practice is such a beautiful way to commune with nature. So join me today in learning the Brahmari breathing practice. I'm Kathryn, previously studied and taught philosophy at universities and studied yoga, Ayurveda, and Vedanta for over 2 decades. Now I help people transform their being through the art of yoga and vibration. I invite you to close your eyes and come into awareness of your natural breath. Feeling your sit bones ground into the earth. Imagining a red laser beam shoot down into the crystalline core of the earth, anchoring you into this one Mother Earth. Feeling her nourishment, her bounty up, and imagining all of that energy coming through the earth, flowing through your entire being, connecting you with all of Mother Nature. Imagining the most beautiful flower that if you were to become a bee in this world, that you would want to buzz around. And continuing to take a couple natural breaths through your nose if that's comfortable for you, as you continue to imagine this beautiful flower. Choosing your own color for this flower, maybe it's yellow, or a vibrant purple, or pink or red. Imagine that most beautiful flower. Taking a couple more breaths through the nose, continuing to fill your body, ground into the earth. Coming fully into the present moment as we prepare for the Brahmari breathing practice. So you can now open your eyes. The Brahmari breath includes holding our hands in a particular way. And there's a couple different options, but primarily we want to focus on closing the ears. So this can be as simple as using our pointer fingers and just gently pressing toward the earlobe. So we're not putting our fingers into the ears, but just closing the ears. And you can also fold the earlobes over the ear hole if that works for you better. And this is a practice that can also be done with children. There's no contraindications, so you can guide them in that way as well. And then if you wish, if you want to use the rest of the fingers, you can use your thumbs to close the ear hole. And then you can drape the rest of the fingers over the other sense organs, the eyes, the nose, the lips. And so you can choose now how you would like to hold your hands. And then we'll begin by just exhaling the breath and then inhale through the nose. And then when we exhale, we'll be buzzing like a bee. But we'll be doing that as we close the ears. So you will really feel the vibrations of the entire cosmos when you produce this sound. I will perform it for 9 rounds. At least practice it for 3 rounds, and then you can just sit in meditation or continue on with all 9 rounds, and then we'll take a few moments of meditation at the end. Okay, so go ahead and close your eyes, closing the ears in the way that you prefer. Exhale. Inhale through the nose. Inhale. 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 Gently releasing the hands from the face. You can rest them on the knees. You can come into Jnana Mudra with the pointer finger touching the thumb. Just allowing the vibrations flow through your body. You can gently bring your awareness in between the eyebrows. Just enjoying a few moments of silence. And now I invite you to bring your palms together into the Anjali Mudra prayer gesture, giving yourself a moment to allow those vibrations to bring you into your deep heart wisdom. As this mudra fuses the two dimensions of our intelligence, allowing us to fully embody a tranquil state of mind, connecting with our luminescence, our soul. And with this regained clarity, you can ask a question. that you need insight on, accessing your intuition, you can offer a gesture of gratitude to nature, to the bees, to the flowers. Just taking a moment for yourself. And then finally invite you to ground into the earth, feeling yourself fully present, ready to re-engage with the 3D reality, bringing this fresh energy, this fresh state of mind, fresh state of being in the world with you for the rest of your day. And then when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Okay, beautiful buzzing bees, all my love, Om, peace. We get so caught up in our mind and overthinking things. We forget to take moments during our day to really ground into nature and witness the beauty that surrounds us. And the Brahmari breathing practice is such a beautiful way to commune with nature.